Hello everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back. Today I am starting a new series, one of two new series that I have been dying to do since last year. As you guys can see from the title, I'm still debating on the title, so as I'm filming this, I don't know what the title is, but as you guys can see from the title, I am here to kind of push away any judgment and kind of just get back to makeup in general, just for what it is. I've noticed that even with individuals around me, whenever they see a YouTube video go up and a certain brand is in the title or in the thumbnail, they automatically have this judgment. They automatically feel this specific way towards that brand, and either they bash it or they love it. And I wanted that to be put aside, and just like a book, you don't want to judge it by its cover. So that's where this series came about. I wanted to do eye looks, and I'm sticking to eyeshadow palettes or singles or whatever, just for the eyes in general. And I wanted to do a look and just chit-chatting with you guys, and you guys just looking at how these shadows apply, the colors that I'm using, the technique that I'm using to work with these shadows, the finishes of these shadows, the end result of the whole entire look, and you guys decide on what brand I actually use. Now you're probably asking why I'm only choosing brands versus specific palettes or names. Because I thought about it and I'm like, you know what, if I give you guys different choices of actual palette names, you might just Google the colors and then see what colors I put on my eyes and then just pick from there. So instead of giving you the actual palette names or whatever it is that I'm using, I'm just going to give you the brand and you guys decide what brand I am using. Now all this will be in the community tab. I will give you 3 to 4 choices of brands, and there you can vote to see what I'm using. So obviously this is the first one that I am doing. First look I did. So if you're curious to see what brand you might think I used, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so you probably have heard in the intro that it is going to be a kind of fun series that I wanted to start. I'm not going to share with you guys what I'm using or the colors that I'm choosing. You're just going to enjoy story time with Alex while I do my makeup, and you guys just have to think about how the shadows are applying, what colors I'm using, and the end result basically. So we're just gonna go ahead and just get started. So this series came about because I would notice that as soon as somebody saw a title in somebody else's video, they would automatically have judgment over how either the product was going to perform, because either the brand had bad ties, a reputation, whether it's good or bad. So I thought, well, how about, just like a book, you don't judge it by its cover, let's do the same with makeup. So I thought it'd be fun to do this, and this just is nothing but just pure fun. Not trying to change anybody's mind or tell anybody to think a certain way. I just want you guys to have an open mind, that's all. I still don't know if I'm going to use brands that I no longer support or that I know are controversial. I gotta think about this one. But I wanted to do this, and I'm only sticking to eyeshadows, so you guys know. I'm only going to do eyeshadows. Maybe one day I'll expand it to the rest of the face, but not right now. I kind of like just the eyeshadow of it, and that way I can just chit chat with you guys. So I was just about to say the color that I was putting on my eyes, and then I remembered. So this is gonna be tough because you guys know that I'm always telling you guys what I'm doing. Gotta see what we are doing. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you guys will see this video before it's too late. I'm gonna try to use my finger to see if that helps. as I said in the intro too, I'm going to do this on my community tab so you guys can see which brands I'm picking, and you guys can vote there. Ooh, let's do some mixing, because that's how I roll. That's pretty. That is pretty. We're gonna keep going. I'm not gonna show you the lashes, the wing liner, all that stuff, because I'm sure you guys just want to see how the eyeshadows are being applied, performed, layered on, you know, that whole bit. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lower lash line. Let me grab a mirror because I don't want you guys to see the palette. That's another thing I gotta remember. If this mirror broke, I just use that now. Reuse, recycle, right? Oh, do you guys ever not get eyeshadow in your eye when you're doing your lower lash line? Because I suck at that. I always do. Just going to blend it out with no product. So there is it. I'm not going to use anything else, I don't think. I think I like the end result. Should I? Let me try to deepen out the outer V a little bit. So I'm going to add one more shade. One more shade out here. Very softly. Alright, so now I'm going to do my wing, lashes, mascara, liner, and then I'm going to come back so you can see the final result and then take your final guess of what brand this is. This is the final look with the lip that I paired it with. You can go on to my community tab on my YouTube channel, and I will list 3 to 4 brands so that way you guys can decide which one it is. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to update you guys on a top picks and skips or in the next tutorial that I do of this. I probably do tops and picks and skips just so I don't have to make you guys wait so long. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.